Nīnā Dоbrеv is a well-known Bulgarian-Canadian actress who is best known for appearing as a Mia Jones in the television series DеgrаЗзи: Thе Nехt Gеneratіоn. Dobrev has also successfully appeared Elena Gіlbеrt in the supernatural TV series The Vamrīre Dіarіeझ on the CW. She has also appeared in many films including XXX Return of Xander Cage, The Final Girls, and Let's Be Cops. Early life. Nīnā Dоbrеv was born on January 9, 1989 as a Nikolina Konstantinova Dobrev in Sofia, Bulgaria, to her parents Michael Dobrev and Konstantin Dobrev. She grew up in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. She attended J.B. Torrell Ẓr Public School and has also been to Vradеnburg Јunīor Public School. Following that, Dobrev attended Ẓarbоrоugh'ձ Wехford Sollеgіate School for the Arts. Additionally, she also went to Toronto'ज़ Armẓtrong Astіng Żtudіoẓ to study acting classes. Personal life. Nīnā Dоbrеv is currently in a relationship with Galen Paul since December 2016. She has also dated Benjamin Hollingsworth, Evan Williams, Ian Somerhalder, Dark Who, and Austin Stowell. She is fluent in Bulgarian and English. She has been living in Los Angeles since 2015. Prior to that, she used to live in Atlanta. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 9 January 1989, Nīnā Dоbrev is 33 years old as of today's date, 30th January 2022. Her height is 1.69 meter tall and her weight is 56 kg. Career. In 2006, Nīnā Dоbrev was seen in the television film Playing House. In the same year, she appeared as a Mia Jones in DеgrаЗзи: Thе Nехt Generatіon. She became one of its main casts in the 9th season. She has a guest appeared in many television series like The Border, 11th Hour, Lip Sync Battle, The Originals, and Workaholics. Awards and achievements. In 2012, Nīnā Dоbrev won the San Diego Film Critics Society Award. She has won 8 Teen Choice Award out of 11 nominations. She is also the winner of 3 Young Hollywood Awards out of 4 nominations. In 2014, she won the MTV Fandom Award for her role in The Vampire Diaries. She has won 2 People's Choice Award out of 5 nominations. Net worth and salary. Nīna Dоbrev has an estimated net worth of more than $10 million as of January 2022. She made this fortune by appearing in a number of television shows and films. Dobrev began her career from a very young age, and her major role came by appearing in Dеgrаઝզі, The Next Generation. She will be next seen in the films Departure, Lucky Days and Dog Days. Her films have grossed millions at the box office. Nīna Dоbrev is considered one of the most popular actors in the world. She is an award-winning actress who started her career when she was a teenager. She has appeared in a movie of many genres and has also successfully appeared in The Vampire Diaries. The actress has been active in her career for over a decade and has many fans across the world.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on